Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through my new listing over at 764 St. Moritz, right underneath Snow Summit. So come check it out. Okay, here we are from the street. Get a good look. Right behind that house right there is Snow Summit. So our property line's going to be somewhere around here. We don't really have a marker on this side. But let's walk this way and see the other marker. So Snow Summit, obviously skiing, mountain bike park. You've also got Spartan, which we just did a couple weeks ago, right there. So it looks like the neighbor has just marked the property line. So here's the corner lot right here. So we're probably gonna also be able to find the corner lot in the back as well. So here we have a semi-circular driveway. It's concrete, could easily fit 4 cars here, possibly more, especially if you utilize some of the dirt areas too. But they are a vacation rental. They have this with Destination Big Bear. It's a 2-bed, 1.5 bath, and sleeps up to 6 people inside. So let's go inside and take a look. So this is going to be our entry right here, but we do have like a little pathway to the backyard, but I'm going to take you to the backyard later through the house. I see a squirrel, so I'm going to close this door. So here we are at the entry. To go upstairs would be going to, it's on the right hand side, and then the main living room is all down here. We do have laminate style flooring, so kind of like that click flooring. And then the fireplace too. It's a pretty fireplace. I like that it's done down here all the way too, because that's going to be a good area to keep firewood without getting the house really dirty. It does not appear to have a gas starter on it. So just kind of like a man-made fireplace. And then we have the TV. And lots of seating in here. So here I would get some track lighting in here just to get a little bit more light in here, or actually maybe even take away some of these blinds. Make it like a different style, because they're great windows and they let a lot of natural light in. I would keep those open. We've got a little seating area over here. So being that this one is so close to Snow Summit, the rental numbers are pretty good on it. It has been a rental for many, 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 many years. They do really well, especially in the winter season when it is ski season, because people are looking to just have something where they can walk to the mountain. So you've got this opening right here. I'd almost turn it into like a little desk area. I think move that microwave. Or if you know me, I would just chuck the microwave. I'm not a microwave person. So cool little area just to sit and have coffee or do some homework. Maybe even open up these shelvings right here. But this is like a Formica on the countertop and up here as well. And then we have an electric stove too. plenty of other places for a microwave if you wanted to keep it, like right up there. So we do have newer appliances. And here's our water heater, and the furnace is back here as well. So we are looking at a home that has central heating on this one, not a wall heater. This is going to go out back, so I'm going to save that for now. But here we have the bathroom. This is just a half bath. So there's a pedestal sink, nice Kohler. And then just around the corner, we have the toilets. So it's nice having this down here because you've got a toilet, bathroom on each level. And then looping around, we have the laundry and just kind of a extra storage area right here. And then obviously in this store, we're going to be looking at the furnace. So this is just the way to get there. And then next, I did want to show you this. This is paneling. I'm going to show you what the paneling looks like when it's not painted. But this is just a really good example of painted paneling and how great it can like brighten up down here. Because you can see how that beige looks really good, and it continues over here going upstairs. Nice carpet, very forgiving. Good slope to the stairs that isn't too steep. And then here's where the paneling transitions from being painted to the typical 1970s wood paneling. So you can see how this is much darker than this, and how this would brighten it up. Here's a couple cool photos of Big Bear. So this is two Model Ts slowly making their way along the lake shore during the 1920s. They're headed towards Big Bear City on what is now Big Bear Boulevard. This almost looks like Baker's Pond to me. And then here is the construction of the dam. So here, what we're up at the top of the landing, bedroom, bathroom. So let's go in the bathroom first. Nice vinyl flooring in here. Good pedestal style sink. Very clean, like a quartz. Interesting. Got a little drip. Plastic tub, but very clean. Little wainscoting on the walls. Good light in here. Nice and just clean. Anytime people have it as white, it looks so much better in a rental. Now here we have what I would call the master bedroom. This is a queen bed right here. And we've got the closet. Nice, good, bright lights up top. You could probably get a king in here, but you might have to get it against the wall or just like a narrower hallway to get to it. But the queen is good shape. So here we have, I did want to point out that these are dual pane windows all throughout the house. Good updated blinds too. And this one, the owners are looking to sell it furnished. And then here we have the second bedroom. Again, we have that paneling that you could paint if you wanted to. But it's kind of like the bunkhouse room. So good amount of kids can sleep in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are twins. These are queens. And then this is also like the flat screen TV. So the kids would probably just like live in this room. And then the adults between the bedroom and downstairs. And then this is, it says private. I'm assuming it's going to be locked for rental purposes, so that when people own their homes up here, they just kind of keep their stuff locked up. That way when they come up to Big Bear, they can enjoy it and get their own stuff out. I like that door. First off, I like that like bluish, like light navy color too. But the style of the door is really fun too. So here we are going outside on the deck. Really, really sunny back here. As you remember, here's the little walkway back here. They've got the grill, the chairs, and you got seating all on this deck too. So you could actually get a nice like dinner table out here. And then of course the spa. It's like an 8-person spa. So the back of the home needs a little bit of like maybe some paint. It gets hit really, really hard back here with the sun. So it would be a good idea to maybe paint that every so often. And then over here, this tree line is going to kind of show you where this boundary line is. Let's go walk on here a little bit. See if we can find the property line. So I don't think I've told you the price yet. Oh, I wonder if it splits. I don't have that other. Oh yeah, they do right here. So it's somewhere right around here that the property line is going to be. So we're now kind of at the back of the lot right here. It's going to go that way. And here's the house right here. So again, we are 2 bed, 2 bath, 1.5 bath, central heating, great rental, wonderful location, ski slope views. We're just over 1,000 square foot and on the market for $549,900. So let me know if you want to take a look. She is still available. Talk to you soon. Bye.